Today we're looking at an incredible garden transformation and hearing about how our garden design service turned an outdoor dream into a reality.
Hi Marika, how are you?
I'm good.
So nice to see you.
So nice to see you again. It is just looking so beautiful.
So actually I gave you a very hard brief, right? So the brief is not easy.
No.
So what we wanted was a garden that was easy to maintain because we both work. We've got a 5-year-old, Jack.
And you're studying?
And I'm studying, yes.
Yeah.
So it really had to be a garden that would look after itself with plants that were really hardy.
Yes.
The other...
So we went a lot for natives.
A lot for natives.
Yeah.
Yes. We wanted Jack to enjoy the garden.
Yeah.
And what he really wanted was plants that were colourful but would attract the butterflies and the lorikeets and the bees because he loves nature.
Yes.
So that was really important to have his input into the garden because he's going to watch it grow and he's going to be a part of that.
Yeah.
And what I really loved about what you did was that you really listened to him and you took away his ideas and you were so caring in the way that you incorporated his ideas into the garden. And that's created something really beautiful because now he feels that he has ownership of that garden. And when you consider that space before was not usable space,
Yes.
it literally, we never went out there.
Yeah.
And now on my lunch break, I go and I sit there and I have my lunch.
Oh, that's so
It's
nice.
really nice. It's made a huge difference to our lifestyle and the way we entertain. From what was there, it's made a huge difference.
Yeah.
And you know, in terms of budget, it's actually incredible what we've been able to achieve because we had a very tight budget and what we did was we just made it work. You can see that quality in the plant and it makes the garden feel lush.
Yeah.
And it's been so nice to work with you as
Yeah.
well. And I really think
been
that's,
such a pleasure.
yeah, it's been lovely, hasn't it?
Yeah,
just to
really
get to know each other and work through this because I feel sort of in designing a garden, it's very personal. And it's really lovely to have someone on that journey with you. What I expected was that you would come out and you'd have a look and you'd make a recommendation and then you'd give me a list of plants and we'd plant them. That was what I expected. What I actually got was an amazing garden, so much knowledge, a new hobby and so much joy that comes out of being in the garden. And
You and your family.
and my family, yeah. So I think, you know, you really exceeded my expectations, but I think it was because you were so patient, you were so willing to teach me,
Okay.
and you were so willing to hear my ideas. So when I walked into the store in Diaco, I felt confident because the people in Diaco knew what they were talking about. You could tell straight away, they knew plants, they love plants, and they cared about your experience and your purchases and that they do well away from the nursery. And that's what you want to feel in your garden, right? You want to feel happy and warm and you walk into the nursery and you feel those feelings.
Yeah, good.
So I think it translates
Yeah.
into the gardens that you create.
If you're ready to bring your own dream garden to life, head to our website at diacos.com.au to book your garden design consultation today. Let's grow something beautiful together.